recently received a message from a viewer stating that he has received his car back from the shop after having a few $1,000s worth of work done on it, and now the car is having a hard time starting. And he took it back to the shop, and they told him that the number 6 cylinder or something has no compression. And man, I don't know what to tell you. Cars that are over 10 years old, not sure how old yours are, and cars in general, things could break on those things every day. Chances that shop having anything to do with that engine losing compression is probably unlikely. It's just, you know, bad timing for getting your car back from the shop. Man, a lot of times even shops can't fix things without breaking other things, but I don't think that's the case here. If they didn't have that engine torn apart, it's just another repair needed. I hope you understand.